Hi guys, it's Future Labs. My name is Fro, and today we're gonna try to use our knowledge in practice and especially try to get ourselves some money on the cryptocurrency listings, because all of these raffles is kind of good, but I've never been all of this multi-hacking thing. If we're talking about this airdrops, raffles and stuff, if we're talking about the botting, about sales, drops, that's okay, yeah, that's me. But about the raffles, airdrops is not really my theme. My theme is the trading, flipping and some schemes and all of that, and the listing is absolutely one of them. So let's try to recognize, to look for the most interesting coin that are going to be listed in a July, and we can try to earn on them. So first what we need to do is we going into the CoinRaider and we just pasting here the listing, right? And we can see all the coins that will be listed in a recent time, like pretty much right now. So yeah, this is the July 15. I won't be able to download the video, to drop the video on the YouTube right now, but sometimes you can just do that to understand what's coin are listing, is any coins are listing today, and it could be like that for around 6-7 coins are listing right now, and some of them probably will give you a really big gains, but we will talk about a little bit more late listings. Like this one, for example, the Leo credit. So you just go click in here, then you click on this listing and you can see the trust score for the exchange listing in, and the how large is it? Is it the first exchange or the 5th or the 7th? As we can see it in here, and a little bit lower we can see a time and the exact date of the listing. So the LeoPay is a fintech organization with the administrative office in Hong Kong and operation services in more than 7 countries. You can access the LeoPay ecosystem through more than 14 platforms that connect users, technological tools, and intuitive and simple way. This provides users with the ability to transact, store, and use cryptocurrency as a capable way to promote your company ecosystem. So this is kind of like expanding cryptocurrency into our real world, when we can pay by this cryptocurrency in some markets, that we can use this cryptocurrency in our company, right, to buy something or to use something. This got a pretty much market cap around 50 million and fully dilated is around 400. I don't think they will grow really hard, but still we can try to catch some 10, 20, 30% potentially on the listing. And better you can do is not just to go randomly buying it while it's going to list. You just look for the other exchange, what the price are there. Right, so you just go look, like for example, on any other exchange the price is 1.5, then you go into the exchange that is listing right now, and you just wait some time, you see the price in there, and if it's lower you're going to buy, because like after some time, a little bit, the price will get into these numbers and you can get yourself an easy money on that. This is one of the most interesting listings right now. It's called the My Universe. They haven't listed anywhere yet, so this will be kind of ICO for them. It will be on the June 25th, and this is like exactly what we're looking for, like interesting game with the gameplay, with like good looking gameplay, some investors in here, with some plans, with the multiplayer. They got the roadmap, the NFT and all of this stuff, and they are going to be listed on quite big exchange. This is their first listing. This is exactly where you can catch yourself some good gains. And the last one, they don't have set a date yet, but this is called the Gemlink, and this is quite big platform that they want to build their own blockchain. And usually you really need to dive when someone is building their own blockchain with its own features, because if you get in, you won't lose a lot of money if they're working at least. And if this is a really gem blockchain, even like it's kind of average, but it will have a lot of users, you can get yourself just tons of money. So there will be mining, master nodes, and they like their main feature is 100% privacy, that nobody can really see your transactions, what you're doing, and all of this stuff. And I believe some whales potentially could get really big interested in this project. That's pretty much it, guys. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button, and see you guys later.